Hi everyone! Welcome to this tutorial on my unlimited multi-agent system. This system is designed around a parent-child agent architecture. The parent agent acts like the central brain. It takes your commands, decides which specialized agent should handle them, and logs everything automatically into Google Sheets. Now let's look at the child agents. First, we have the email agent. It manages emails, drafts replies, and organizes your inbox. Next, the calendar agent. It schedules meetings, adds events, and summarizes your daily agenda. Then, the contacts agent. It keeps your contacts updated and enriched. Our research agent connects with Perplexity, allowing powerful web research and instant summaries. And finally, the YouTube idea agent. It uses Apify to scrape YouTube trends, generate video ideas, and optimize your content strategy. All of these agents work together under one orchestrator, the parent agent. This setup is scalable, transparent, and auditable. You can add unlimited agents to handle new tasks as your needs grow. By combining OpenAI models, Google Sheets, and APIs like Perplexity and Apify, you get a complete multi-agent ecosystem that automates your digital life and business processes. Download link of the workflow is in the first comment.